This video, I'm going to compare this new Arduino Mega that I bought to the original Arduino Mega. This is the new Arduino Mega that is smaller than the original one. It has header pins here that is dual. This is dual because they try to squeeze the pins here on the sides so that it can have a smaller form factor. I bought this from Gizmo store, and let's see the parts. As you see here, there's a USB 3-wire converter here and some regulators. On the original Arduino Mega, it's also there, but it's just spread out. There's also a reset button, and then the USB port is a micro USB, not this square USB port. I have a project that will use many I/O pins for a LoRaWAN project, so I will use this Arduino Mega. I hope you will catch on that video as well. I hope you find this video useful and interesting. Please don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. Thank you.